Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the different platforms that are available where you can actually run your ads. Now, one of the major things which a lot of young dropshippers or early entrepreneurs tend to make is the fact that they don't understand where to sell and actually how to sell it. One of the major things that you have to keep in mind that if you want to increase your sales, you got to use ads, guys, because the more people that actually see your ads, the more chances that you have to actually increase your sales. So how does that work? It's quite simple and straightforward. If you stick around till the end of this video, you'll be able to understand the different strategies and the dynamics and implementation of those strategies that you could apply onto your stores and start selling and increasing your sales from your stores and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. Now, one of the major things that you need to understand before you get into the dropshipping business is understanding what the needs and wants of our individuals. If you head over to Amazon.com, you can see there's a lot of different categories available, from gaming accessories to beauty picks to health and personal care to electronics, get fit at home and easy returns, as well as Easter basket stuffers. And if you look at the popular contents that are available internationally, you'll be able to see there's different elements. You can be selling books to toys to smart trackers and smartwatches, even Kindle e-readers for that matter. There's something for everyone available on Amazon. So what do you do and how you do it? That is a separate story which we have covered multiple times in our videos that are available on our channel. You can always head over there and check them out. What we're focused on today is that once you get your products, what do you need to do? It's quite simple, guys. Head over to Amazon Advertising, your brand, their world, and get ready to meet the audience where they shop, read, listen, and watch, and start your Amazon ads journey today by simply answering a couple of questions, and you can get your brands in individuals' hands. You can discover the importance of mobile ads and how integral they are for the marketing strategy, so you can reach new customers with the mobile ads, and the secret to 1+ success is all available over here. If you click on it, you'll learn. Now, one of the major things, guys, that I always mention to anyone that gets interested in dropshipping is the fact that this is a very new niche in comparison to all the business that are developed around the year for the past 20-30 decades. Now, for that matter, we need to understand different cases that are available. For example, like 1+ success. The more research that you do, the more you actually speak to individuals, the more knowledge that you grab, the better position that you're going to be to make a sound judgment on the implementation of that strategy. Now, something that might work for someone doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to work for you. You would need to tweak it to your circumstances, and that is a common mistake that a lot of people tend to do with their ads when they're running them, and obviously with their marketing strategy, is that they just to copy and paste different elements and strategies of different organizations and expect to see the same results. It doesn't work that way, guys. You got to understand that your circumstances, your product, your service, and what you're offering is going to be different to what is being offered, even if they're in the same niche. So copy and pasting is not the way to go. Understanding, catering, and developing around is what you need to do. And you can look and understand from inspiring stories how brands have helped musicians' art on Twitch, and a mother's desire to representation inspired by a doll brand, and how MasterCard is highlighting businesses founded by Black women. Now, if you scroll down, you can easily find success stories. And what these success stories do is that they give you a chance to understand and get inspired. And once you get that inspiration, you can easily start brainstorming methodologies and then developing strategies based on the same principles and pillars. And obviously, after you've done that, you can easily implement those and scale your business to heights that is never known before. Now you can explore resources for beginners to learn how to best use Amazon Ad Solution, the 4 P's for every marketer that you should know about, how to launch a sponsored ad campaign, and even build a strong advertising foundation, a guide to brand experiences. And guys, that is one of the things why I love Amazon, because the amount of insights, support, guidance, and education they offer is absolutely endless. They have blogs and webinars that are completely free. They can give you a better understanding of what needs to be done and how you need to do it. So my recommendation, if you're advertising on Amazon, head over to advertising.amazon.com and understand exactly what needs to be done and how it needs to be done. And once you've done that, head over to Facebook. Now, Now, Facebook is a very huge platform, guys, and obviously its name being changed quite recently to Meta. You can understand that Facebook literally has grabbed the whole market by force, and you can find beautiful and powerful ways to tell your business's story. And that is the reality of, at the end of the day, people do not buy products, people do not buy services, people buy businesses. People buy the emotions connected with the service, people buy the emotions that's connected with the product. Now, if you look at so many products that are available in the niche, they do the same thing, but people are dedicated, are loyal buyers to one particular brand, either be Samsung, either be Apple or Xiaomi or even OnePlus. They're buying the experience that is gotten with that particular product, and you need to understand how to tell that story and develop yourself, and you can do that through Facebook. And by promoting it on Facebook through photos, you can use the photo ads after a clean, simple format to feature engaging imagery and copy and convey who you are and what you do through high quality images or illustrations. Now, if you see on the right hand side, Audi has made this absolutely brilliant product. What they've done is quite unique. If you look at the product on its own, you can see that there is a sort of a sea behind it. It's on top of a mountain. It is looking across to the sea, and there is snow on the bottom over here, and it's cloudy on top. So clearly it displays that this car can go on any terrain, especially if you're an adventure individual and want to live life to the fullest. And this is a car that you need to get. The climate actually gives a chance to people to understand that no matter how cold or hot or snowy it may be, you can definitely find the comfort over here. And remember, you can conquer the world, and that is the experience that is connected with Audi, and they're displaying that through one image. And that is what I always mention to individuals: give a chance to research things before you get into any particular market. If you look at a video, you can tell your story with sight, sound, and motion. And video ads come in a range of lengths and styles, guys, from short feed-based ads that you watch on the go or longer videos that you watch on the sofa. So you can always make sure that you're keeping yourself one step ahead. If you want to tell stories, you can always add stories, which are a customizable edge-to-edge experience that lets you immerse people in your content, tap onto their passion, and inspire them to take action on the mobile. Now, if you look at the Louis Vuitton actual ad, you can clearly see that in a couple of seconds they were able to grab at the attention, show their product, and get people involved and excited about their particular product. And if you want to share your ad on a messenger, you can do that as well, because the messenger ads help people start conversations with your business and get personal with the current or potential customers, and add an interactive or automated feature as well. Now, if you go and across to all the different elements available on Facebook, you can clearly see that this is truly an opportunity of a lifetime, because you can use multiple ways and methodologies to ensure that you can get your product in front of customers and get people excited about it and create a strong brand connected to it. Advertising and marketing has changed, guys, from what it used to be 20-30 years ago. It has evolved into something that's quite unique and something that really stands out. And I believe that anyone that wants to get into the dropshipping business needs to have a good grasp and understanding of what marketing is and what and where to send and show these particular ads. Now, the most interesting thing about Facebook is the playable ads. Now, playable ads offer people an interactive preview before they can download an app and find higher intent users for app with this try before you buy experience. And remember, guys, the more that you use it, the more methodologies that you understand, the better implementations that you're gonna get, and then you'll be able to set yourself in a proper direction and ensure that you can actually scale your business and become a successful entrepreneur. Remember, guys, the reason why we make all these videos for you is to give you a proper insight, a support, and guidance, and show you the right path that you need to take for your business. Now, if you have any questions, if you need any clarifications or any support whatsoever, you can always drop us a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, so more people can find out the right methodology and the right place to advertise, promote your different ads of your products, so you could become a successful dropshipper. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.